Hey guys, welcome back to another day in the life, what I eat in a day, self-isolation vlog, full day of eating extravaganza video. I really like these because I feel like it's just a nice chill video. I can show you what I eat, I can show you all these like little things in my day, and we can just hang out because that's what we're doing now. We are like hanging out at home. I'm just getting ready because I'm going for a walk. Where I live, you can still like go for a walk in like the forest as long as you keep your distance. So I like getting some fresh air because it's a sunny day and I definitely want to get outside. This morning I had my delicious coffee. I drink it black, it's super yummy. One thing I will say, and I feel like I said this in a couple of videos, but I will reiterate, it's really important to drink organic coffee. And that's because there's a lot of different like mycotoxins and mold that can be in coffee that's not organic. So when you're buying your coffee, make sure to always buy organic. You will 100% feel a difference. If you ever feel like you drink coffee and you get like foggy, I would try like switching to organic and you'll notice that you don't feel as foggy and there aren't those like mycotoxins in your coffee. So there's tons of organic brands out there, like so many, so just find one that works for you. But yeah, organic coffee is super important. And I think also for today, for like, I'm gonna use like a walk kind of like as my low impact workout, but I think I'm also going to do the ab video that I did in my last little isolation vlog. I love it. It's by Pamela RF. It's 10 minutes and it's brutal. It's such a good workout. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my coffee and go for a walk. Actually, before I go on my walk, I want to show you guys some self-care that I've been doing. I've been doing cupping, partly because I'm home and I feel like, I don't know, with being home, I'm doing like more little things that are like for me, like taking 10 minutes to do cupping or taking 10-15 minutes to do a stretch. But like, let me show you the marks from yesterday. Okay, don't mind my laundry in the background, but like, hopefully you can see that like, look how dark those cupping marks are. It's crazy. And in Chinese medicine, dark marks mean stagnation, which means you need to bring energy and chi and flow to the area to like clear it because there's a block of energy, which you obviously don't want. And so the darker the marks are, the more stagnation there is. But it's really good to move that stagnation. So yes, getting it is kind of like a sign that there is stagnation, but you definitely want to move it, and it helps bring blood flow and like chi and energy to the area to heal. So and it definitely doesn't hurt. I feel like there's going to be comments about whether it hurts. It absolutely definitely does not hurt, but I've been loving them. I'll show you my cups. I just get them on Amazon. They look like this. I think it was less than $20, and you got 2 big ones and 2 small ones, and I kind of just suction them to myself where I can reach. And then that's kind of it. I leave them for 10-15 minutes. Feels so good. It's really good also like traps. If you can like do your own ones, it helps to like release tight muscles. You can do it like almost anywhere in the body. If you had like tight IT bands, this would be really good on the side there. But yeah, it's just like a little self-care thing I like to do, and it's like so good for you as well. So I am showered and ready for the day. Gonna have some breakfast. I'm gonna make a yogurt bowl that I have been loving. I found this coconut yogurt. It's like super fresh. The only ingredients are coconut milk and bacterial cultures. I'm gonna have that with some berries and some grain-free granola. It's gonna be so good. So to make my yogurt bowl, I've been using this crunch granola. It's grain-free, it's from Rawcology. It's really delicious. The coconut yogurt and the only ingredients are coconut milk and bacteria. I wanna try to make this at home. Some raspberries, and then I'm gonna drizzle some organic almond butter on top. It's simple, but it's delicious. So I've had some requests to try to make a healthier version of the TikTok whipped coffee that's going around. So that's what I'm going to do now, / also try to film a TikTok showing the healthier version at the same time. So I'm using the 4 Sigmatic mushroom coffee. They are very specific about the ratio. You need like even ratios of everything. So one of these, 1 tablespoon of monk fruit, and then 1 tablespoon of water. You're supposed to whisk it 400 times, but I might use like a little handheld mixer. I'm gonna try it by hand, but we'll see. But yeah, I'll let you guys watch like the behind the scenes, and then let's see if this like turns out. Okay, I'm gonna try it now. I have a feeling it's gonna be like way too sweet, so I'm gonna need to like either dilute it or like drink it like today and tomorrow. Let's see. Oh, it's actually, wow, it is so good. Definitely on the sweeter side. I feel like I can only have a couple sips because the ratio I know is super important, but wow, it is so good. So I just finished recording on my friend's podcast. She had me on. It definitely won't be up before this video. She said like later this month or early next month, but that was exciting. It's really fun to be on a podcast and be interviewed. Definitely new for me. I'm not used to being interviewed, but I adore podcasts, so it was really fun to actually be on one. I'm probably going to make lunch. Well, I'm gonna preheat the oven now and roast some veggies for lunch. But yeah, that's kind of what I've been up to. I've been working on today's video that I'm uploading, which is healthy desserts that are nut-free and vegan, low carb, grain-free, all that kind of stuff. Because a lot of you have requested, oh wait, it'll focus. A lot of you have requested nut-free recipes. So I will link that down below in case you haven't seen it. So I'm about to upload that healthy dessert video, but I made a little like smoothie snack. It is the Ancient Nutrition bone broth and chocolate, which is so good for you. Bone broth is amazing for your gut health. And I'm like, it also supports your immune system and everything when you have a healthy gut. So I use that, ground flax, almond milk, and almond butter. So it's super simple. You got protein, fats, fiber, and some almond milk, and it kind of tastes like a milkshake, to be honest. And like, especially the consistency of the bone broth really makes it like fluffy, if that makes sense, in like a smoothie, but like really creamy and kind of like a milkshake. So yeah, I will leave the measurements down below, but it is so good. I'm gonna drink this and upload the new video, which I'm so excited for, because the chocolate chip cookies in this video might be my favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe ever, and they're nut free because a lot of you guys have been wanting like non-almond flour recipes. So they're nut free, there's no egg, they're vegan too, and they might be the best, like I said, recipe I've ever made. So I'm super excited to share these with you guys. I'll leave the video down below again, like I said, I think earlier, if you haven't seen it, but yeah, I'm gonna upload the video now. So I've just been responding to comments. I also wanted to note that I have been drinking like non-tap water, and I feel so much better not drinking water from the tap. Like, I don't know what it is. Even when you filter water from the tap, there can be other stuff in it. I just noticed like I had a headache and like no amount of water was helping, and I switched to a like boxed water and I feel so much better. So I don't know, you might want to try like having water that's not from the tap. Random, I know, but like makes a difference in my life, so I thought I would share it. I'm gonna heat up some dinner now. I have some leftover curry from last night, so I'm going to heat that up, and then I do have a live stream in 1 hour. It is a meditation live stream. I've been doing live streams on Instagram like 5 days a week, and this one is like a relaxation one, which is nice, but I do cook with me's, I do like educational ones, I do a whole host of things, because like I said, I've been doing like 5 days a week of IG lives. So make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can come and see all like the content that I'm putting out on there. And the meditations ones are really fun too. You can just come meditate with me. We have chit chats, and like I said, like even cook with me. So make sure you're following. It's just Keep Up With Liv on Instagram. Obviously the live will be done by the time you see this, but you can definitely watch the one next week. I definitely include at least one meditation per week. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat that up. So I ended up putting on some of the leftover Brussels sprouts from lunch, and then we have the coconut curry. About to dig in. I am so excited. It's just really good, like lots of veggies and lots of good fuel. Also, I'm in need of a good Netflix show. One that's like on the funnier side, not too heavy, like an Ozark, or too bizarre like Tiger King. Something that's like just happy. So leave me your favorite like high vibe happy shows on Netflix in the comments so that I can watch them. So I wanted to show you guys the texture of the cookie that I mentioned from the dessert video. Guys, look at it. How delicious. It's so soft and chewy. So I'm definitely like in my pajamas. I've just been doing some computer work. I've been working on my course, which if you haven't heard about, I'm launching a course. I am super excited. It's all about teaching you how to nourish your body from the inside out so that you look great, you feel great, you know how to cook delicious, healthy meals. It makes healthy eating easy and just really empowers you and nourishes you. I see so many people who are struggling, so many females and women especially, who are under eating, undernourishing their bodies. You know, they're not eating enough, and then they're doing chronic cardio at the gym, you know, like hours and hours of treadmill and elliptical, and they want to lose weight, but they don't know, you know, what they're doing wrong, and you know, they're just not nourishing their bodies, or they don't know how to cook at home. And I feel like now is the perfect time to learn how to cook at home, how to use all the ingredients that you have in your pantry and your freezer to cook really healthy, delicious meals that are simple and delicious. So that's really what my course is about. I will leave the page that explains it all and really just goes into depth with it. But yeah, it's truly like my passion project. My heart and soul is going into this because I have definitely been there. I've been the girl who had my fitness pal, who counted everything she ate, who ate the 1,200 calories, and you know, if I went over that, I'd have to go for a run or burn off so that I could eat more. And that's just not a way to live, but also you don't have to live that way. You can be healthy and lean and, you know, like have those ab lines that you want and still like eat really good foods and eat skillet cookie and, you know, eat brownies and stuff like that, as you guys see from my recipes. So that's definitely what my course is about. If that appeals to you and you're struggling with this, this is the perfect time to kind of invest in yourself and invest in your health. So I will leave that down below. So for the rest of the night, I'm going to work on that. I have my blue light glasses on, block the blue light because I'm on the laptop, but I feel like I just have a lot of work before this launches on Monday. There is still probably about like 24 hours from when you see this video to sign up for the course. If you're seeing that and it's after that, just DM me and I'll see what I can do. I really want to help you guys out and to really help you live a nourished life. So yeah, message me if you have any questions. And that's kind of where I'm at. I'm probably gonna end this day in the life vlog thing here. I don't even know what I'm gonna call this video because I show you what I ate, but we made whipped coffee and we did all the things. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys are all staying well either way, that you're staying safe and you're staying healthy. And yeah, I appreciate you. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.